Fuck!
I was reading that.
Wait a second. I thought you were showing Will the new drum stuff.
I thought you were showing Will the new drum stuff.
So wait, if you're out here,
And you're in here.
then who's teaching Will?
Shoot, guys, you know what? Look, I know I messed up the second verse pretty bad, but I know for sure I'm gonna get it by Friday, all right? Kai, what'd you think? How did it sound? All right, Ben, how about you?